Welcome to Art Magic.
Today we will learn how to draw a most popular Angry Bird family member, the red. Let's start. I hope you all will enjoy this. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, Art Magic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.